massive breakout is happening on Pepe right now. As you guys can see, this is the daily time frame after a 20-day consolidation. This is Pepe right here on November 13. Even more than close to a month, Pepe has been consolidating right here in the daily time frame. And you guys can see right here, we did have a nice little inverse head and shoulder, as you guys can see. On top of that, we did have a nice little triangle right here. And I did mention once we were gonna break this triangle right here, we were essentially gonna fly. And you guys can see right here, not the whole market's not pumping, by the way. Pepe is up 21%. Turbo, another crypto that I called, up 20%. I'm gonna be making a video about that, but you guys can see right here, the market is not up that much. And if you have a look right here on my Discord, I did call a Pepe long right here. I said chart is looking really bullish. Long Pepe, entry 21, stop loss 20. The stop loss was never hit. The leverage I was using is 7x. If you have a look right here on the trading PNL, my people are actually cooking. They're absolutely cooking right now. Look at this. This trader made $4,000. Another one right here. This is the Pepe and Turbo trade. 5,500, 1,160, up 98%, 54%. I mean, these people aren't actually cooking. If you guys are interested, by the way, and joining the Diamond Patreon, it is for $68 a month only. You get access to pretty much all of this right here. And of course, it does end in less than 24 hours. And if you want to join the Discord for free and just get access to the general chat and trading chat and all this thing, you guys can go ahead and click on the link in the description below if you guys are more interested. So if we have a look right here, you guys can see that the Pepe trade right now that I currently longed up 540% right here. So you guys can see I also long Ethereum up 70%. So if you actually go on my Twitter right here, not only did I say to long Pepe, this was pretty much a free trade again, but I also told you guys to long Ethereum. I said Ethereum, nice diamond formation pattern. Now not the nicest diamond, but it's one of my favorite patterns to trade. Boom, target 4,100 for you traders out there. And you guys can see right here, Pepe, not only did we break above this level right here on this zone, but we also broke above the volume profile. So this is the volume profile right here. This is the point of control, the red line. The point of control is already given. So this is of course very, very bullish. And the fact that we broke above that and we broke the all-time high just means that we're going to enter a price discovery. Now, in order for us to essentially enter price discovery, we need to essentially close above 23. Now, obviously this is most likely going to happen. The daily candle does end right here, as you guys can see on the right side of my screen, in 3 hours and 4 minutes. If we have a look right here at Pepe on the 8-hour time frame, you guys can see that ever since we broke above on November 4th, above these exponential moving average, Pepe has been pretty much going up. And you guys can see we have never been below these exponential moving average ever since we broke above it. Now, we know when we are below it, we're pretty much bearish. When we're above it, we're pretty much bullish. So right here, we came down a little bit. This was one of the greatest fake outs ever. We had the beautiful inverse head and shoulder pattern. And my target for this is actually 35 to 34. So obviously, would I enter the trade now? Probably not, since you guys don't have much gains right here, assuming we go right here before correcting. 35%, still pretty good. But of course, if you're doing leverage, you're most likely going to get liquidated. Why? Because assuming we do come down like 5% or 11% and you're playing on 10x leverage, you're most likely going to get wrecked. So don't do that. Wait for my next trade on the Patreon if you guys are interested. And pretty much that's about it. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Now, the reason why I want to have a look at Ethereum is because the reason why Pepe is exploding right now is because Ethereum just broke $4,000. And I mentioned that once Ethereum breaks 4K, we're most likely going to see Ethereum and Pepe pretty much pop. So this was right here, the diamond pattern that was on Ethereum right here. That was yesterday where I made the tweet. Not only did we come back and retest these exponential moving average one more time, but we also exploded. Now, we had that nice little correction. Ethereum is slowly coiling up. Now, you guys need to remember that we are in a weekend, so obviously the volume will be lower when it comes to Ethereum and Bitcoin, because you know a lot of these big firms are not trading it right now. But once a week does end, the weekend does end, you could expect Ethereum to probably go to 4,500, which means Pepe is most likely gonna explode and shoot through the moon. So if you guys do like this video, once again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You guys know I make a lot of videos by Pepe. My last video was 2 days ago, so make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video.